Alright. So, if you guys look, this is legitimately rain, and my garbage is legitimately full of water.
What you doing, man? You didn't even do your intro, bro.
It's PutterPinCo, guys, and let's make a wish real quick. I have a coin. Thank gosh. Okay, Michael, I want you to move and put it right there. Alright.
Hey, it's potato, bro. Fucking me.
Alright, you ready? This is insane. Surf looks so ugly, guys. Alright.
Oh shit. Dude, you didn't get it all.
You saw that?
Dude, you just flooded your driveway.
I just flooded my whole driveway, dude. Wait. I'm gonna do this one.
There's your coin.
Just a little more.
I found your coin. Wait, hold on, I gotta make a wish.
Here, make a wish, bro. Here.
Hang on, I got one.
Here. Make a wish.
Get more subscribers for a potato.
Alright.
Oh shit! Dude, your mom's gonna be
I
pissed.
swear. Oh my god! The needle went in my shoe. Alright, let's get out of here, okay? Let's get out. At least it didn't went to the garage.